Hello, hello, what's up guys? What's up ladies and gentlemen? You know, your host Alicia Meller greetings you a happy new year and you know a late Merry Christmas to all of you. And we are outside now together with my boy Gizmo. Oh wow, look at that guy going a float. Yeah. Who's that? See how many inches that one. Yeah. And the snow is very cool. And look at that. A woman doing a blower. Oh hi. Oh wow. Hello, good morning, good afternoon.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Oh, I said good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you are doing here.
Did I bother you guys?
No, it's just fine.
Oh.
You know, we are your neighbor. Our house is there.
Okay.
Yeah, in the corner.
Do you need help with your snow?
Again?
Did you get all your snow already?
Yeah. Because we have also like that. We have the blower.
Nice.
And we have also the plow. And my husband is doing a plow right now. Yeah, it's there. I think going there. In National Highway, so.
Yeah.
So.
We gotta get a water truck up here.
Oh.
I think that's all I'm doing.
Oh, where is your house? This one?
No, it's at the top.
Oh, so you are neighbor with Lance?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
Jean.
Yeah, and Jean,
We're,
okay.
Like north of Jean.
Oh, okay. Oh, you are the new one there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I met you last winter.
Oh, yeah. You remember me, Alicia?
Alicia,
Yeah, Alicia and Scott.
Alicia and Scott.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
What's Puppy's name?
Gizmo.
Gizmo. That's a good name.
Oh my, look at that one.
Yeah. It's a lot of snow.
Yeah, it's a good exercise anyway. But, you know, I don't know how to use that one.
Oh, it's so cool. It's getting a little iced up too. I can even thaw it out.
Oh, yeah.
I brought my gas with me. 'Cause,
Oh, wow.
last time it snowed, I ran out of gas at like a quarter of a
Oh,
mile from my house.
yeah.
I had to go back to the town.
Look at that one, guys. Did I disturb you?
No.
Okay. Thank you for the, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, my husband also is doing the same, but I think he's using the plow.
Yeah.
Yeah, going there.
Yeah, I hope Mark with the tractor comes through. He'll probably come through at some point and hit the ice. But
Oh, the
it
guy.
was a lot for him. He couldn't get it all this time.
Yeah.
The guy with the green tractor.
The guy who's always doing the plow, right? Yeah, with
yeah,
the
the
yeah.
little green
Oh,
tractor.
okay. Yeah.
Do you want my phone number?
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
We're gonna head home.
Okay, boy, come. Hey, where are you going? That is not our way. Come here. Come. you see, guys, you know, there's a lot of way, you know, when it comes to handling everything about this snow. It's too much, you know. He's a woman, but you know, he's very strong, you know. He's doing a lot, you know. You see? Yeah, her name is Kissy, and look at that one. She's our neighbor, and the husband is working and no one is working, you know, along this road. So that's it. Yeah, and the bad thing here is, you know, I have no gloves and I need to wear a glove exactly, but right now, since you know I am handling the phone, and it's so lucky that my phone also is, you know, indicated for a winter like this. So there's a possibility that, you know, some cell phone might get, you know, freeze, will be frozen. It's hard for me to talk, you know, because it's really very freezing right now. So I don't know where is my husband. Yeah, so I need to check. Yeah, we are checking, yeah, our way. So look at this one, you see, they are not doing a plow. So yeah. And my husband, he did some plow, you know, it's just like a bulldozer. So, you know, if the dog will gonna pee, it really make it as a mark, as was like a stain. Boy, where are you going? Don't go far away, okay? Mommy will not go there. So this is our life, and I don't know where is my husband right now. He's plowing the way. Hey, don't go there. Only here. Come here. Come here. Come. Hey, Gizmo. Huh? You should listen to mommy. Come here. Hey. Come. Let's go back home. And below down the hill, there's another house there, and they are also doing their plow. You know, plow is just like the small bulldozer. You know, so yeah. Look at our storage house. How many feet? I think that is about 3 feet of snow on the top of the roof. See? My boy is here. Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh, wow. So, you know, my husband make a way here for us to go inside the, and let's see, we have a lot of stock actually. You see, this one is an engine of the water, and I don't know how to, yeah, you see, this is the engine of the water, you know, for sucking the water. And we have a lot of lumber, so we have a lot of shovel here, so like this one. And look at my, you know, stock room of my plants. You know, I plant broccoli and tomatoes and everything, and that is our, you know, another engine for, you know, cutting the grass. See, look at that one. So look at the roof. Look at the roof of that. So that is 2 feet or more than. And it's really difficult staying here. And this place, guy, we bought already this, you know, because staying here and renting the apartment or the house, you know, it's very expensive, and it's just like, you know, at the end of the day, you will not be own, you cannot own that, you know, that house or the building. So for us, you know, we give about 3/4 price of this house. And this house is worth how much, guys? I don't want to tell you because, you know, my husband said it's very confidential. And this is the blower, just like the woman that, you know, we saw there. So that's it. Okay, this is our, you know, this is our situation here. and this is how we survive in this place. So there's a lot of, you know, way to get rid all this snow. You make it sure that your drainage will not be frozen, or else, you know, it will gonna be stuck up the water. And of course the shower and the toilet, because there's a possibility, just like when you flush the toilet, it will be become, you know, frozen the pipe. So there's some secret, there's some way, you know, not to be frozen. Actually, you know, the thing, it's just like we really covered with the insulation, we really covered with everything that, you know, we can, you know, because, you know, it's under like that. So it's in the bottom and under the house. So make it sure, you know, we wrap, it's just like we wrap around with the electric wire, so that the, you know, the pipe, it will become, you know, hot. So the, you know, the flushing will not be frozen, so it will go directly to the septic tank or to the drainage and everything. So that's it, you know. I'm just informing you guys what's going on with, you know, my life here in a snow country, because, you know, I grew up and I was born in the Philippines and grew up in the Philippines, but I worked overseas for about 15 years, and now I am already here in the United States. So I'm just, you know, want to know all the people that are subscribing me and watching me, what's going on with my life, you know, my journey as an OFW and as a wife of the American. So there's so many things, and above all, my spiritual life to share to you. So you should subscribe, guy, my YouTube channel, Alicia Meller Ministry USA. So because, you know, I had given an opportunity to start here. So I've been in Hong Kong, I've been in Singapore, I've been in Malaysia, in Macau. So that's it, you know. I've been to China, but I did not work there. I just go there as a tourist. So that's it. Babu, everyone. God bless to all of you. This is very, very nice. It's just like a Christmas tree. Thank you, Babu.